Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of November, and really some cool products that come out of this, and a few that I'm not gonna lie, pretty disappointed to see. I feel like this is a month, especially after my BoxyCharms, where I look at the boxes I'm getting and it's like, love, love, hate, disappointed I'm getting a repeat. And like that is the trend. Both of these bags apply to that same formula. Hopefully there's more we like than we don't like. Anyway, jumping right in. First, the theme of the box is Creatures of Comfort. The weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered up with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. Now, the bags this month are this sort of, I'm going to go out on a limb and be pretty blunt and say tacky print with orange on it. Not my aesthetic, not my vibe, but I know there are people who do like this, so not going to be that person and bash it, but not for me. Jumping right into let's do the Glam bag first, the base bag. So this is the $13 a month bag. First item is going to be a trial size of the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. This is a deluxe sample. Imagine your dream lashes, long, healthy, and with major volume. This mascara makes it a reality thanks to the unique wand that is inspired by the volumizing round brushes used at salon blowouts. Wiggle from root to tip for a falsy effect. I have used the full size of this mascara, and I think that's a little bit of a stretch to say that it does all of those things. It's not bad, but I'm not going to say that it is this amazing mascara. It's not. I think the brush is too big to really get very close to your lashes. You know I prefer a wand on my mascara that is super tiny, that I can get really close and really in at the lash line. This one was just a little bit too big for me when I tried it, and not something I really want to do again. Next, from the brand Kinship, this is the Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. The soft, fluffy moisturizer is packed with skin smoothers like hydrating hyaluronic acid, anti-inflammatory marshmallow root, and amino acid-rich coconut water to help instantly cool and calm plumped skin. This is a deluxe sample. The coconut water means I'm going to have to pass. As you know, I do have a pseudo allergy. It's a skin sensitivity to coconut. The second I put it on, my skin goes bright red and I will start to get hives. So I will be passing on that one. Next, this is the MTU NYC Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Queens, which is a pretty color. This says that it's a deluxe sample, but this is clearly a full-size product. Finally, a liquid lipstick that's as comfy as it is cute. The formula is lightweight, non-drying, and non-chalky, and the blush pink color is a total stunner. I would not call that a blush pink. So I might have gotten a different product because of some reason they gave me a full size instead of a travel. I have tried this formula in the past and I did not like it. I found it to be patchy and I did not enjoy it. So I'm going to pass on that as well. We are 0 for 3. Next, from the brand PYT, this is a deluxe sample eyeshadow palette. This is a repeat for me. I've already gotten it. But this palette is the life of the party thanks to the 12 super saturated and ultra blendable shades. Obviously, this is only going to be 4 of those shades. This is the Upcycle Shadow in the shade Party in the Nude. I did a whole look with this palette way back when. I remember really liking it. The formula was a lot better than I expected because the packaging was a little cheaper, but the formula worked really well. It was a nice balance of colors with those shimmers, but again, it's a repeat product, so I'm going to pass on that as well. And the last item is the one I was actually the most excited about. This is from Juicy Couture, and this is the Honey Bee Candle. It is a 1 ounce deluxe sample, but this is basically a tea light. It smells absolutely delicious like honey. Take your relaxation, self-care, or bath time to the next level with this stylish and divinely scented candle from Juicy Couture. The moment you light it, the delightful aroma of wild honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossom fill the room, and your senses with a warm and unforgettable scent. This is fantastic, and I cannot wait to light it. I will probably end up lighting it tonight. This product alone makes the base Glam bag worth it for me, but the other products are going to be misses. All right, next, moving on to the Glam bag Plus. So the Glam bag, in my opinion, I think just because of the candle, I'm going to say I'm excited for it and I liked it, but the other products, 1 out of 5 is not great, but I do think that this is a really cool product. Moving on to the Glam bag Plus, the first item is from Iconic London. This is a 4-piece brush set retailing for $40. You're in luck. This brush set has literally every tool you could possibly need to make any eye look. That is a very bold claim. The ultra soft vegan bristles help to blend, buff, shade for flawless application every time. So looking at this right here, we have a large fluffy brush, we've got a smaller fluffy brush, we've got your packer brush and your pencil brush. So I will agree that if I am doing my makeup, I'm just gonna pull the brushes I used the last time I did my makeup. It is a fluffy brush, a packing brush, this one's a little bit of a shimmer packer. I feel like that is necessary, and a pencil brush. I would replace this massive fluffy brush for something like this, but in general, you can get a lot of eye looks out of this kind of a brush set. However, the bristles are very flimsy, and I feel like this isn't going to do what I want it to. The one brush that I think feels a little bit more heavy duty is that pencil brush, but I have so many pencil brushes that I love that honestly, not really going to be something worth keeping, so I am going to be passing on those. Next, the product I was the most excited to get my hands on. This is from Purlisse. This is the Pumpkin Ginger Detoxified Charcoal Mask, retailing for $48. 10 minutes is all it takes to get smooth, dewy skin of your dreams. This mask is infused with nourishing pumpkin, soothing ginger, and purifying charcoal to help improve your skin's texture and clarity in no time. I love Purlisse. I've used quite a few items from the brand, and this is just another one that I'm excited to give a try because I have not used this one. I love pumpkin, especially this time of year, and it's such a great antioxidant ingredient, so I'm excited to give that a try. Next, from Gloss Moderne, this is the Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. This is a celebration of the world's beauty. This perfume oil is made from the fragrance house in Grasse, France. Formulated with natural perfume oils and nourishing organic coconut oil, it is fragrance. The luxury fragrance is alcohol-free and delicate, yet luminous and sparkling. Now, when they say luminous and sparkling, I don't see any, like, actual sparkles in there, which is a good thing. Let's give it a scent. It smells really nice. I will say it's like the perfect blend of masculine and feminine. I feel like you get like warmth to it and you get a lot of those like, I don't know, oody notes, which I tend to associate with more masculine scents, but there's a little bit of a floral undernote. So I think this could go really well. If I had to compare this to two things on the market, I would say Dolce & Gabbana The Only One, which is very spicy yet floral with a little citrus in there, or Nuit de l'Homme from YSL. Next, from the brand Shades by Sean, this is the setting spray, retailing for $28. A few quick spritzes of the lightweight face mist will set your makeup for 12 hours of smooth, flawless wear, thanks to the water-based, alcohol-free formula that is skin-loving with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. So that's going to be a really nice ingredient list. It is your traditional spray bottle. When you look inside the bottle, it does have a milky color, which my favorite setting sprays of all time were from Scandinavia. Those had a similar milky color, which made my skin look fantastic. The mister is a really fine mist. No scent. Feels really nice. Not really tacky on the skin. I'm excited to give that a try. I love setting, mists are kind of my thing. Face mist, setting mist, toner mist, hydrating mist, anything. Definitely things I enjoy using. Gonna give that a try in an upcoming video. And the last item from Reina Reblade. This is the On Your Face and Eye Color Palette. This is in the shade Presumida, and it is a 4-shadow eyeshadow palette, a blush, and a highlight, retailing for $29. Ever had a palette where a few shades go untouched? That is not going to happen here. This Cheek and Eye palette features 2 matte shades, violet and terracotta, 2 shimmer, rose gold and red, and 1 mauve blush and a warm peach highlighter to take all the guesswork out of your everyday makeup. I will say that it is a really pretty blush tone, and I do like that kind of a highlighter. For the eyeshadow shades, that's not enough for me. I cannot do my eyes with just those colors. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to like it. Like, it's just not going to work the way I want it. I will want to diffuse with a little bit more. I would want at least 1 neutral brown, and that little red shade I would never touch. So let me know if this is something you want to see me try in an upcoming video, but if nobody wants to see this in use, I will probably do a tutorial with another palette and drop this in a giveaway bin, because not really the colors for me, and I have plenty of blush and highlighter that I don't need to use something just to use it. After all is said and done, there are 3 products out of Ipsy this month that I was excited about or will want to try. The luxury fragrance oil, the candle from Juicy Couture. I still love that smell. and the pumpkin scrub. All in, these definitely paid for themselves. Now, the one downside to PR, and I will, just full disclosure, I get this sent to me in PR. I do not spend money on these. They send it to me for an honest review, and I don't get to do choice items, which is something I really liked when I was a paying Ipsy customer, is that when you get to choose 3 of the 5 items in your bag, you tend to like things a little bit more. I did not have that option. So take that with a grain of salt, that if you are putting your money into Ipsy and you are trying it, you are going to have a little bit more impact over what you're getting than I do. But that being said, I am not upset about the products I got this month, because the ones that I am excited about, I'm excited enough about them that I'm not as upset about the ones I'm not, if that makes sense. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!